The overall goal of this procedure is to extract yeast proteins while preserving native structure, function, interactions, and post-translational modifications. This is accomplished by first growing cells to induce expression of the protein of interest. Next, the harvested yeast cells are homogenized in a suitable buffer to extract the proteins. Then the proteins of interest are purified from the clarified whole cell extract using an affinity resin. The final step of the procedure is to elute the purified proteins from the affinity resin for further analysis or downstream applications. Ultimately, results can be obtained that show protein purification, modifications, and interactions based on Western blot analysis.
Demonstrating the procedure will be Eva Szymanski, a William & Mary graduate who spent the last couple of years as an undergraduate researcher in my lab.
The main advantage of bead beating over other existing methods is the rapid processing and lysis of multiple samples under conditions that preserve protein function, interactions, and post-translational modifications.
To begin, transform cells of a Gal-positive yeast strain with a plasmid encoding a galactose-inducible 6-his-tagged protein of choice. Inoculate transformants in 5 milliliters of appropriate selective medium, such as SD uracil containing 2% sucrose, and incubate at 30 degrees Celsius overnight with rotation. The following day, dilute the overnight culture in selective medium with 2% sucrose to a final volume of 33 milliliters so that the optical density at 600 nanometers measures 0.3. Grow in a shaking incubator at 30 degrees Celsius and 150 rpm.